2019 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.